Scarlett.
Go, Shane. Shane. Get the leg. Get the leg.
Take him down, bud. Take him down,
Take
Shane.
him down. Don't go down yourself.
Stay in your ring. Come on.
Alright, good.
Here's legs, Shane.
Now, little drag.
Legs. There you go. There you go. Mount.
Get in the mount, bud. Grab onto him. There you go.
Get up, Shane.
Get a position, Shane.
Get him.
Wrap your legs around them, Shane.
Wrap your legs around. Get on top.
Shane, wrap your legs around them.
That's a medal. You got 4 points.
Hang on to him.
Get up. Get his legs.
And then,
Get up, Shane. Go.
get up,
Shane,
Adrian.
don't stop. Go, Shane. Get his legs.
Take him down, bud.
Sweep his legs under, Adrian. Sweep his legs under.
Legs.
Uh-oh.
Get up, Shane.
Get up, Shane.
Get started.
Hang on tight, Shane. Hang on tight.
Get up, Shane. Legs.
Oh.
Legs. Move, Shane. Move. Move, Shane. Get up. Get up. Get up. Come on. You can do it.
Yeah, Adrian.
Get up, Shane. Good job. Legs. Oh. Get up, get up.
Down, Adrian.
Shane, don't run after him.
Legs. Legs.
You're the one holding the bag.
Get him down, Adrian. Get him down. Get his legs under him. Get his legs. Good. Get his legs under him.
Get it, Shane.
Take him down.
I get up.
Grab onto him. Hang.
On.
Well, hurry up, get them keys on.
On.
Take him down.
Sweep it, Shane.
Now get on him.
On him.
Shane, get in the mount.
Mount, Shane. Come on. Push, Shane. Push. Push, Shane. Come on. Push. Get up. Legs, Shane. Go. Big leg. Mount. Mount. Mount, Shane. Get
Shane,
on.
get in the mount.
Get him out! Get him out! Go ahead, Shane. Keep going. Up.
All right, stand
Get
up. Almost time.
Legs, Shane. Legs, Shane. Go for his legs, Shane.
Take him down,
Take
Shane.
him down. Mount. Mount him, Shane.